I'm Jeremy with Grassroots Powsurf, and I'm going to show you 3 different tools to help you access the best powsurf terrain possible. The most simple and lightweight and cost-effective tool we use to get around are Verts. Verts are like a hinge-free snowshoe. They're designed for packing straight up the mountain. They're super lightweight, easily packable, and they allow you to create a staircase straight up to the goods. Verts are the most efficient when traveling up steep slopes, ridge lines, and couloirs. These are great for short and steep ascents. And you want to make that staircase straight up. You can make laps on that staircase all day, and as you do, the staircase becomes more solid, and eventually you can leave your Verts at the bottom and hike up using just your boots. However, these are not a great solution for long, flat sections of travel. Their strength is tackling the vertical. So keep that in mind and be sure to pick the right tool for the right job. The next accessory I've got here are drift boards. These are approach skis, and approach skis are a good solution for those longer and flatter approaches. They can be great on existing skin tracks as well, and you can use them to blaze fresh trail in up to a foot or so of new snow. Anything beyond that can be pretty tricky with the shorter length. Transitions from ski up to powsurf down are quick and easy, and they attach to your backpack for the ride down. So with an average weight of around 5 or 6 pounds, they certainly do add some weight on your pack for the ride down, but they do get you to the goods, and you'll be stoked when you get there. The other downside to approach skis is that you carry your board up on your pack, so you're going to have some snags and hang-ups while skidding through the treed sections, and you'll certainly knock a fair amount of snow off the trees and down your back as you make your way through. I know I certainly did. But when the wind is howling, you feel like a sail at times, but hey, hopefully you can harness that wind to propel you forward. And you'll learn to dodge those tree bombs. So the more you use the drifts, these are a great solution. With the drift boards, I find blazing trail in deep snow to be quite difficult and inefficient on packed section, as they seem to lack the glide that you get on a split surfer, a split board, or a pair of AT skis. But all that said, these are a great solution for travel in the backcountry, and they'll get you where you need to go. Finally, we've got the Grassroots Split Surfer. This is by far my favorite way to travel on long backcountry excursions. I use the Verts quite often as well for short and steep ascents, but for going deep into the backcountry and riding the biggest waves there is, nothing beats accessing with the Split Surfer. It's excellent for blazing trail, even in the deepest conditions. It's great on existing skin tracks, and they've got great glide for efficient travel through flat sections. There's nothing sticking out from my backpack, so technical tree descents are no problem. Best of all, there's no extra weight to lug around on the powsurf down. Transition is a breeze. I'd say quicker than a split snowboard transition, but not quite as quick as an approach ski transition. For the ride down, our ultralight ascent bindings fold up nicely and fit easily into your pack. This pair weighs just over a pound total weight. Our split surfers will work with any pair of snowboard bindings as well, but if you've ever tried to pack a pair of snowboard bindings into your backpack, you'll fully understand the need for a small, light, and packable binding system. And don't be fooled by anyone trying to sell you a split snowboard with a pad on it. They may call it a split powsurfer, but it's simply a snowboard with a pad on it. And performance will be very poor in anything but the deepest and the lightest snow conditions. The difference between riding a properly designed powsurfer and a snowboard with a pad on it is night and day. A proper powsurfer will handle a wide range of snow conditions. Dense, wind-whipped snow, settled powder, slush, Sierra cement, recrystallized old snow, heavy wet muck. As long as the snow has a bit of softness to allow the edges to sink in, our split surfers can handle it. A snowboard with a pad on it, however, will not. Our split surfer features a fully three-dimensional base with sintered P-Tex, proper inserts, and it's reinforced with carbon for strength and the proper stiffness so it can perform just as well as our solid powsurfers on the ride down. Our split surfers are available in a number of shapes and sizes and widths, so you can get the perfect match for your body size and your boot size, and for the snow conditions in the areas where you ride in most. We've got a number of videos featuring our split surfer on the YouTube channel, so definitely check those out. We created the first ever split surfer in 2008, so we have nearly 2 decades of experience in building and riding split surfers. We've put these tools through the ringer all across the world, and I couldn't be happier with their performance in both traveling up and powsurfing down the mountain. Our split surfers are the biggest game changer in powsurfing since we brought you the first powsurfers. We also offer a selection of touring poles, climbing skins, straps, shovels, and probes to complete your full backcountry access kit. So there you have it. 3 of the best human-powered backcountry access tools that will help you access Powsurf terrain as efficiently as possible. Consider the type of terrain that you will be accessing in your area to help you decide which of these tools is going to be best for you. Be sure to check out our other videos offering tips and techniques for beginners and intermediate riders. We also have videos that will help you seek out and find the best powsurfing terrain possible. We have how-to videos that will help you with things like waxing your powsurfer, basic repair of dings and other board damage, and of course we have hundreds of high-action powsurf videos to get you hyped to go powsurfing and that showcase the various styles of progression in powsurfing. I'll provide links down in the video description for each of those. Be sure to subscribe to the Powsurf YouTube channel so you don't miss the goods as we continue to release new films and instructional videos. And please share them with your friends. Your support here is crucial to help us continue to create great powsurfing content.